Right, we come out to the hide now, the second hide, just down by there, and turn left. Got the field alongside us. Stream on the one side. And if we follow this down now, it'll take us down to the canal. We'll turn left on the canal and head back towards where we started from. Still on our walk on our second hide, which is down there. Got a stream alongside us, we come across this little bit by here. Keep it out, you never know what you'll see. You can turn right on the canal. We turn right on the canal just to go for a little walk. On this side. You can carry on all the way down the canal if you want to, but we're going to turn around because our car is parked up the other end. That's where we come from. Right, we turn left on the canal now. Take a nice little stroll down the canal on the way back to our car. It's a nice little walk to do the loop. Stopping off in the hides on the way.